Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create an explosion effect using the CapCut green screen videos. So if you guys didn't know that now you can easily found a green screen from the stock videos that CapCut provided, and there are lots of options that you can choose. I'm going to show you. One of them is the explosion effect. So here I'm going to go to overlay, add overlay, then I'm going to click on the stock videos, and in here you can see there are lots of category now, and one of them is green screen. And here you can see there are so many options that you can freely use. So I'm going to add this explosion effect, this one. Okay, you can see this is the effect. You can just click on add, and then here just go to cutout to remove the green screen. Use the chroma key like this, adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, you can just put it in wherever you like, and this is the example. So you can just choose and you can just adjust it to your liking, match with your videos. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.